And today, animals decided to be productive.
Just one notification.
They said that yesterday.
Look at you! Ooh, sleeping in! What a joke! I'll start tomorrow aggressively. All right, team. Today we lock in.
Delicious.
Hey, not that. Oh, you've got to be kidding me.
Nom nom nom.
Well, that's just great. Why are you like this? Who's writing down? Stress eating. I color-coded my goals. I'll manage the schedule. All right, just one meeting. Wait, what? No, stop! Too many meetings! Get me out of here! Why is everything at 9? Why is everything at 9? Help me! No, wait! I'll handle emails. I'll start with memes. One task, no distractions. Is that discipline? Oh, wow. Wow. All right, time to check the planner again. Just need to see. Oh no! It's on fire! What do I do? I need a break. Behold the sacred brew. Perfection.
Time for a little coffee break. Oh, a few pastries snuck in there. Oh my, now look at all this. Delicious.
And that's how it starts.
You said it would be done by lunch. Look at the clock. Just one more second, I'm almost finished. One more second? I've been waiting for 3 hours. How are you not stressed?
I don't multitask.
Oh no! Whoa! No! Don't drop! No! Please don't drop! No! Stop! So, we're the problem?
Mamundi. The time is now. No. Not yet. Yes. again.
I watched half a productivity podcast.
I work best under pressure.
Oh, no!
I cleared 3 emails. Ah, there it is. Ah, perfect. Now, back to data. Soon.
Focus time. Unäktingsguide. Ah.
What was that? Ah, done. Finally. Excellent. Indeed. Now for a nap. That's illegal.
Time is slipping away. We need to move faster. Now. Okay, I've got this. Just need some coffee. Ugh, so tired. Must save it now.
These were important, right?
Yes. This looks perfect.
Wake up at 4 a.m. and change your life. Are you ready to succeed? Click that subscribe button now.
Oh, 12:43? Time to give up on the internet, I guess.
This is where it goes wrong.
I forgot what I'm doing. I cannot take this anymore. No! It's gone. Let's see what we have here. Oh my goodness, no! This is a disaster! What have I done? Okay, that's everything. Wait, you're done? Yes.
Finally. Ooh, what's this?
Ma'am. I need a new system.
Systems won't save them.
The time is now. No. Not yet. Yes. What does he know?
The time is 1:47 p.m. Still so much left to conquer today. We got this.
We just need one breakthrough.
I think my brain logged out.
The cursor is judging me. Why are you looking at me like that? Seriously, stop it. You're making me uncomfortable. New system.
Time to crush it. Hustle harder. That feels aggressive. That feels aggressive.
How to focus when you don't want to.
This is the moment most people quit.
No breaks. No excuses. Ugh, I'm tired. I haven't done anything. But I'm exhausted.
Same.
I ate the to-do list. My bad.
I believe this confirms our theory. Intriguing.
How? How are you still calm?
Stop trying to do everything.
And that, my friend, is the final draft.
Understood.
That's allowed? That is so not allowed, right?
Not much done. Oh dear. Look at this.
Tasks completed. 2. Wom, wom.
Finally done.
The relentless hamster wheel. The crushing weight of expectations. There's no escaping it. I blame capitalism. I told you it was important. Now, what do you make of it?
That depends on what it is you're trying to achieve.
So, what did you actually do today? Well, one thing. And I finished it. No gouger. In the dead go from the air.
Tomorrow changes everything.
So, we failed.
No. You tried everything. That's worse. Worse. I have something special for you to see. A clean page? And that's it, the last one. Just like that. Brilliant. Boo. That's it? That's it? That's all there is?
That was the plan.
Huh? How did you know that was the solution?
Now,
Experience.
Yeah.
One task isn't productivity.
but what makes it productive?
Finishing is. I understand now. Good. Let's begin. That hurt. I planned too much.
I ate my goals.
I rested. Strategically. Yeah. Yes, he did it. The turtle's task is finally completed.
You see, it's about distillation. Quality over quantity.
Oh, so? Less is more?
Exactly.
Only if you stop pretending you're machines.
And then we take the monorail straight to the Savannah District.
Oh, yes, look, here it comes now.
I think that should do it. What a relief. Huh?
That feels better. Finally!
He stopped when he was tired. So, what's one thing you'd finish today?
After this video!
Comment below. Subscribe for more chaos. See you tomorrow or not.